remember how to recognize different heart blocks forever and nothing would stick, so why not turn P waves and QRS complexes into a modern love story? Here's a story that helped me, and if this doesn't work, just refer to the rhyme. First, we have the ideal relationship called normal sinus rhythm. P and QRS are dating and they're in the puppy love stage, always sticking together. Then we have first degree heart block, where P and QRS get into their first fight, so for the sake of their relationship, they decide to create some distance. EKGs will show a slightly longer PR interval, usually greater than 20 seconds and asymptomatic. We move to the modern relationship in second degree type 1, where P and QRS enter into a cycle of breakup and makeup. The hallmark for type 1 is the gradual prolongation of the PR interval before sudden block. Second degree type 2 is the retaliation phase, where P and QRS work it out, but the P is still being sassy and decides to go out on the weekends. Notice the difference between type 1 and type 2. Type 2 has constant PR intervals before the block occurs. And then the final breakup in third degree heart block, where QRS finds P cheating, decides that it's not a healthy relationship, and they decide to keep their distance for good.